guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. So today me and my brother are gonna be going outside to modify our cars, like the exterior of it. I have a bunch of stuff that I've been wanting to do ever since quarantine happened, and now that we're getting nice weather, it's like perfect time to do it. Before we do anything, we have to wash our cars and basically like prep it for everything that we're gonna put on. Before we do that, I wanted to show you guys the stickers that I've got. I kind of got way too much. By the way, all the stuff I got, I'll put links below to where I got them from in case you guys want them too, so make it easy for you. So first we got these cute little two here. I think it was from Super Love. This one was like a sparkly, aesthetically looking Espion, and it just looks stinking cute. I don't think I'm gonna even put this on my car, but eventually when I have another car, then I'll put it on. I don't know. The next one I have is this really cute aesthetic Mew. So yeah, these two Pokemons, I could not say no to these. Like, these are just the cutest things ever. And then we got this nice Kagome. I find this really cool. It's kind of hard to find a good Kagome like looking sticker. I really want one that eventually has, when she uses her sacred power, she's like filled with like a purpley glowing, you know what I mean? Like, I want that color somewhere in here, but I can't find someone who does that. Okay, next one, we got the company modified decals. This free sticker. I think this is their logo, so it's really cute. And then I got these two little Inuyasha and Kagome peekers, and they're holographic and they're really small, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna put them in my car, but I might put them like on my phone or something. And then this one I'm definitely gonna put on my car. It's so cool because these are just Sakura flowers that if you look at them at a certain angle, then it's blue or purple or a nice holographic look. We got this brand called
We will see what my theme is, huh? I wanted to save this for a silver car.
Okay, as I was saying, the next one we have is by Choto Minute. This one I got really excited because I hardly found like any Inuyasha and Kagome peekers together and ones that I actually liked. We basically have this one where she is saying sit. If y'all watch, then you guys would know. But I got two of them because one of them I'm gonna put in my car, and then the other one I'm just gonna keep in case I want to put it on another car. She's so sweet because, well, I got this one, this Ghost Squad one, in a bigger version, which I'll show you guys later, for my brother. And then I think she gave me this for free, which is really nice of her. But then I got the Squirtle Squad also, so love that. She actually gave so much freebies, which I really appreciate her doing. She also gave me this freebie of Zenitsu. I honestly didn't watch Demon Slayer until a couple months later after I ordered this, so it's pretty cool that I already have this. So yeah, I have Zenitsu and I have Nezuko coming out of her box, which is really cool and cute. And then she also gave her logo as a big sticker, which is really cool. I really like the theme of it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but it's pretty cool. She also gave me mini versions of Kagome and Inuyasha. They're both separate, so I don't really know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna be saying that for like every sticker. I appreciate that they're not like together, so I can rearrange if I want her on the left side or the right side. And then I kind of forgot where I got these two from, but I'm just gonna include them in. It's Pikachu, and then I think this is a Naruto Cloud. Correct me if I'm wrong. We got these stickers from Modified Nonstop. I really like their merch. You guys should definitely check out their merch. I got their shirt and sweater from them too because they're really cute. But anyways, I have like a sunglasses compartment, which I would love to put these little anime crying eyes in there. Hopefully it fits. And then I found this sticker really funny. It says objects in the mirror eat ass. I really thought this would come smaller. And then for the rear view mirror, we got objects in the mirror are uglier than they appear, which basically means every car that I see is uglier than mine, which is honestly not true, but we just like that confidence. And then I couldn't go out not buying these because they're so freaking cute. Like pink Jollibees, and they're sticking out the middle finger. I freaking love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Maybe in my car, maybe on my phone. Eventually someday I really want to have a car that's like pink and black. So maybe I'm gonna put this or buy a bigger version and put it there. But I find that really funny. And then she gave me, I have no idea who this is, but they gave me a free sticker for that. And then we got some more exterior stuff, but they're not really stickers. They're more, I think they're called emblems. So I have a Kia Forte and I don't really want to show the Forte part anymore. I want to put K3, which is the best thing ever because K is my name, Kelsey, and 3 is my number. Like, that's my lucky number, that's my basketball number. I just love 3. I just got these recently in the mail. In Korea, I believe that they use this logo instead of using the Kia logo. So I got one for the front and one for the back. And then I have these for the wheels. And then this one for the steering wheel. For this little sticker here, I got this. So it's very handy that I can use this to apply all my stickers with. It's like a squishy, like, applying thing. My brother just sent all of his stickers here, so I might as well show you guys. He has 2 themes. This is a Pokemon, don't ask me what, I honestly forgot. This is the first sticker. Oh, I know this is from a YouTuber named Eot, which is very cool. And then a nice peeker of Tanjiro. Looks very cool. I actually got him into Demon Slayer. So yeah, this is the first theme of his. I think it looks really nice. I think this is the one he's gonna go for, but... And then theme number 2, we got this one. And then this is the bigger version that I got him that I was telling you guys about. It's a little holographic, so... Another ghost gang. They're very cute. So that's the second theme that he has. Let me know which theme you guys like better. So I think my brother's grabbing the buckets and stuff for us to wash the car, and I'll meet you guys outside. Guys, it's so bright in here. I'll wear glasses. So we were gonna put the emblem on, but we don't have a heat gun right now because I think my dad has it at his shop. So that'll probably be either tomorrow or another day. But yeah, we just put on all the stickers. And what are you doing?
Putting tire shine.
Oh, okay. I'm probably not even gonna put any of the tire logo on because I have my winter tires on still, so just gonna leave that.